Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by. We're going to chat a little bit about our SoundPlicity interfaces and how we bring our smartphones into our vehicles. So the SoundPlicity devices connect to the CD changer connections that are in the trunk of all of our BMWs, and the device plugs in, and then from the front of the car we bring our phones into the equation by either Bluetooth or a direct USB connection. In this particular video, we're going to take and pair our iPhone or Android, or most other platforms for that matter, directly to the SoundPlicity and go over that process with you. So I'm going to stop it right here. I'm going to bring in some stunt hands.
All right, welcome guys. We are here and we're going to show you how to pair your SoundPlicity with your BMW. So the first thing that we want you to do is start with the vehicle turned off. We actually want you to turn your phone off, and then we want you to turn it back on. So I've just done that, my phone's ready to go. And now I'm going to turn Bluetooth on my phone. And if yours is already on, just leave it on. And if you have something else like an Android or any other device, the principles here are going to be exactly the same. So now I've got my Bluetooth on my phone, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the car. And before I do that, I'm just going to tell you that I need to select the SoundPlicity relatively quickly by pressing the CD changer button or the mode button if that's what you have on your radio. And then within 5 seconds of selecting that, I need to put the SoundPlicity in the correct mode for pairing. So follow along. The timing here is very important. You don't want to overrush it, because if you do, it's not going to work correctly either. You need to give time to the SoundPlicity to boot up, and then from there select the correct mode. So I'm going to select CD changer. Now I'm going to select Bluetooth mode. And now I'm going to press disc 5.
Pairing not changed.
And now I'm going to press track up.
Clear all paired phones.
Now what that's going to do is actually clear everything that's in the system and put the SoundPlicity in discoverable mode. That's going to make the device available on your phone. Now we're going to go back to our phone, and looking at the phone, we're going to select the device that's just come up, and the two devices are now going to pair. And it may take a minute, sometimes it can take a little while for the two devices to pair. And now we're connected, and we're going to be able to listen to the tunes that we want. So we're going to exit from the pairing mode by pressing FM or mode, and then go back in to
Bluetooth.
the SoundPlicity. It's in Bluetooth mode, so now I can put on my favorite tunes right from my phone. So let me go ahead and pull that up. And there we go. So now that the SoundPlicity is paired, we can play any of the tunes that we want right from our phone, and control right from the phone, or we can actually use the factory steering wheel radio or the steering wheel controls right here. And as you can see, we have text display right on the radio that's telling us what we're listening to. And one of the coolest features of all is we now have voice control over Siri using the factory steering wheel control button here, the little talking head. So if I press and hold this button, Siri's going to activate. I can also accept a call just by pressing that button. And I can end a call that way too. So that's the SoundPlicity. Now that it's paired, go out for a drive and enjoy it.